Good morning.
Good morning. So last night we stayed in our most unique accommodation yet.
By far. Where do we stay, Ev?
The marina on this boat.
Subscribe to follow along.
Today we have a very exciting day planned. We are going to be doing our first food tour, but it's going to be our own food tour, like a
DIY.
Yes.
Do it yourself. We're eating 3 square meals here in the town of Arrecife, and we're doing everything under 50 euros.
At least that's our goal. We're gonna go try to do that. And if we can't do it under 50 euros, I guess we
That's
won't
our
eat dinner.
But first,
Let's give you a boat tour.
ahoy, let's take you on the boat. Here's a tour of our sailboat. We've got our shower towels, which are still hanging there to dry. Beautiful outdoor kitchenette / table. Our bench, some storage obviously. Not gonna be using those. Little diving board off the back. Come inside. Welcome to our humble abode. Look at this little swing out bench. I can sit right here and show you where everything is. Little kitchenette. We have our sink and a stove, as well as a pantry with everything we need. Storage we need. Garbage. Right now we're using this for our bags because we have a lot of bags. Kitchen table swings out as well. Obviously you need to do that. It stays like that. We like to put it down for now. And over here, surprisingly, a toaster oven. How nuts is that? And a fridge. Like, that's a deep fridge. It works great. We got some lights, which pointless turning on right now, you will see. But they work great. And Wi-Fi. There's Wi-Fi in this boat. How do they do it? I don't know. This is our nice couch. And moving on to the bedroom, over here is where we slept last night. It's actually cozy. Quite cozy. Open this hatch, got some breeze through. Long enough to put my feet up, or to put my feet out over here. So I can lie all the way. I actually sort of fit. So that's pretty much it. All right, let's go eat some food.
We made it to our first destination for breakfast. This is a place we actually discovered earlier when we were in Arrecife, just for like literally 40 minutes before we caught a bus. We had a coffee here, it was great, so we wanted to come back to try the breakfast food, so we'll let you know when our food arrives. One thing I forgot to mention is we have not yet had coffee today. I honestly don't know how we're still alive, but this looks incredible, so I'm really excited. Coffees here are also really reasonably priced compared to back at home.
Yeah, I had a headache because I was missing my coffee. So I'm happy we finally got our coffee. Excellent and cheap.
I got a spinach quiche because I still don't really eat gluten, so Keith will get this bread. I will have one bite though because it looks amazing, and I gotta reintroduce it.
That's what she keeps saying, but then she gets a rash.
Keith got a tostada, which we see everywhere so far in Lanzarote.
This is just toast.
It's like toast but with different toppings on it, and it's always really good bread. So that's like a very common breakfast.
What did I guess?
Here, ham and tomato. All right, let's try this out. It's really good. It tastes like the inside part of a spinach pita, but without the pastry stuff, which is my favorite part of it because I can't eat the pastry stuff, so this is great.
So like Devin said, I got a tostada jamon y tomate, which is, you know, the curated prosciutto ham and like a pico de gallo almost. Oh, even better than it looks, dudes. Yeah, way good. Approved. So that was excellent, and I just devoured that. But I want to make a note that toast here is fresh bread with butter, lightly toasted. It is ideal. No preservative pre-sliced bread. This is real toast.
Such a beautiful breakfast. I feel rejuvenated. The coffee is hitting me. Great coffee.
Oh yeah,
also,
no headache.
Only 650 euros for a whole breakfast.
650 euros for a whole breakfast. Holy smokes. Let's get another snack or a coffee?
Coffee.
We made it to our next place for a sit-down espresso. It costs 20 cents extra to take out, which is good because it prevents people from getting cups that just get used once. Anyhow, we might come back here because there is ice cream for $1.50.
And it's gelato! Real ice cream, not like the fake stuff, real stuff. So this time we got straight up espressos, which is the little shot of espresso we made out a bit of sugar to sweeten it up. But our last coffee wasn't enough caffeine for us, so just have a quick shot of espresso and then I think we'll be good for the day. Okay, it's probably really strong.
No milk. Devin didn't want milk.
Woo! I'm gonna be up for hours!
Instead of going to bed at 9 o'clock, she might go to bed at 9:30.
Because we've had so much caffeine, I went next door and bought us a bottle of water. The plastic does hurt my soul, but there's no potable drinking water here, so you have to do that. So we have this to drink. It was 80 cents, so it's pretty good. Now we can stay hydrated.
It's now time for another snack break.
Yeah, it's been a few hours, so we're getting hungry again.
We're going to this place right behind us. It is a South American place. It's more fast foody, but I think it's perfect for us right now.
Yeah, budget friendly. Let's go check it out. I'm very excited because these are gluten-free and I get to eat them too. And there's some spicy sauce to go with it, so we're just gonna try this. Our lunch today, there's gonna be a bunch of snacks throughout the day. So this is our first lunch item.
Tapas, right?
Tapas, exactly. It's the Spanish way. Lanzarote. So this is an empanada. It's very warm.
Watch yourself, it's probably hot.
It's really good. I'm scared this bite's gonna be hot, spicy, and warm. Oh my god. So good. I'm so impressed with these. Wow, kid, you have to try it.
Alright, here we go. Ooh, they are warm. Right away, you're getting tons of good flavor. There's potato in here too, and it's beef, I think. Dude, it's so crunchy. My mom always made empanadas for Christmas. Very much her own twist. So I've always loved empanadas, and these seem really authentic, and I just love it. It's just perfect. We gotta go see Moms Away in South America and eat these together.
Earlier today we passed a sign that said 250 euros for cerveza e tapas.
Yeah.
Which is very popular and a common thing here. So obviously,
And very cheap.
with that good a deal, we're gonna go find out what that is. So that's where we're on the way to now.
Here we are with our afternoon tapas. I got myself a little beer and this little collection of different things here. Not too much Devin can eat, admittedly, so I'll give her the salad. There's bread, this little pesto looking Spanish perhaps sauce, and this white sauce, and cut up lasagna. Oh wow, beer in the sun. It's muy bueno.
Next, I think, is going to be ice cream, unless we see something that speaks to us more. But
Oh
I've
yes,
been
find something that
excited
speaks to us.
for ice cream.
Devin has been, and she didn't eat very much there, so she's a trooper. All right, little bean, what'd you get?
So we came to the same place we came this morning for espressos and got our ice cream. I'm so excited. I just got chocolate. I think it's gelato. Or what do they call it here? What is it called? Gelato. I've been waiting for this all day. I love ice cream.
And I got pistachio in a cone.
That's
Muy
really good
bueno.
too. Wow, that was so good. Ice cream with a view.
That was very good value.
So we have a few hours till dinner and we need to digest all the delicious food we have eaten, so we're gonna go back and hang out on our boat. So, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. to finish our food tour.
For dinner!
We found a place earlier that serves many different types of tapas for cheap. So we're gonna go see how much we can get.
And split some different types of food to try different stuff out. So very excited. We'll see you at the restaurant. So there are so many options here. I don't know what we're gonna get. Like, I'm very excited. There's gonna be a lot of food. It's gonna be great. These just came with our table. We have eaten so many olives on this trip. Just don't get sick of them. These are good.
We got the bacon wrapped dates with, is there anything in the dates?
Yeah, cheese.
And cheese, right. And some barbecue sauce, and I'm about to try them. It's got that salty bacon, that sweet date, and that fatty cheese. Like this is a cool little appetizer. We're probably gonna do this at home.
What do you think?
This is like obviously amazing because it's bacon and sweet dates and cheese. Like it's gonna be amazing. There it is.
This next dish is called Tapas Pepas, I think. And we've seen variations of this all over the island, so we think it's like a pretty local thing to get. It's pretty much like their version of poutine. So it's got like cheese, some kind of sriracha mayo, or maybe not sriracha, some kind of mayo, onions, bacon, chicken, tomatoes.
The origin is South American, and it's usually called salchipapas because it's of sausage and stuff. But they changed it here.
Yeah, they're everywhere, so we thought we would get that. So I'm gonna go for it. Not the healthiest option, but pretty delicious. Obviously cheese and bacon and potatoes are gonna be good. It's good.
Being a Quebecois and a big fan of poutine, this is it. This is my home away from home.
So the next thing we got is the fresh fillet, and it's pretty much like fresh fish, and it always comes with potatoes, lemon, and this like cabbage salad. This is something you can kind of get anywhere in Lanzarote, and it's usually really good and really fresh. And they always give you these two green and red/orange sauce, and it's called mojo, and it tastes really good with the food. So I'm gonna try this. And because it's just Keith and I'm just gonna dip it in the sauce. It's so good. The sauce is like cilantro-y. It's just so fresh and so delicious. Wow, I love food.
This is the last thing that we ordered, and it's pulpo. Pulpo just means octopus, and this one's simply grilled. It comes with potatoes and vegetables, and I've been looking forward to having some octopus this whole time we've been here in Lanzarote. Why? We used to have it when I lived in Portugal. It's a classic food. It seems odd, but it's really good when cooked properly. Yeah. Flashback to when my mother and my father tried to cook octopus, and we did not cook it properly, and it tasted like rubber. This does not. When it's well cooked, it tastes really great. I know it can be intimidating as a food, but it's really good.
I will not be eating the octopus. That one's just for Keith.
Wow, we just ate the whole thing.
That was so good. I'm so impressed.
Yeah, that was like excellent. Such good value here. Holy smokes.
Wow.
I'm all about value. And that was good value. That just about does it for our food tour.
Wow. What a day of lots of eating and lots of really good food.
We really did eat well. I'm very happy and impressed. Total cost, 44 euros and 46 cents.
So we did do less than 50, so that's good.
Which is excellent. And on top of that,
For 3 full meals and snacks, so that's pretty sweet.
we did move our bodies quite a bit.
Yes, I have a little watch that calculates it, and we walked 21 kilometers today.
This includes our 5K we did this morning.
Yeah, we went for a run this morning before
So-
breakfast. But still, that's a lot of walking.
And that's some pretty cheap food.
Yeah, Arrecife has delicious food, so if you're in the area, definitely check out the places.
And I'm really
They're
happy we got
good.
to eat Canarian food during our
Yes.
stay here. Because it's pretty good.
It is.
Pretty friggin' good.
Very good. So thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you in our next video because we have something exciting happening tomorrow.
We do.
So we need to go to bed.
We do need to go to bed, and we're tired.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Because we have so... Because it tastes like... What's the inside part of a spinach? Let's try it again. Okay, so this is called Tapas
Should I start again? Speak louder.
Tapas Pepas? Tapas Pepas?
Thank you, Spain, for these salchipapas, or as they say here, papas pepas. Until they poop on you, it's cool.